Grandma and Grandpa for the set.
Okay, do you want to open the beach set? Oh, Katie. Whoa. Whoa. Isn't it beach just like Emma's beach?
Look, sanding. And stuff like that. Whoa, even a tent. The tent goes right here. See? Can you open it?
Yeah.
Look.
Alright, Katie. You can't play. You're left out.
Yeah.
Yeah. Whoa. Those pigs can go in that?
Yeah. And the bunnies. The bunnies aren't going out. The bunnies are locked.
The bunnies are locked?
This is the umbrella. See, it goes right here. This umbrella keeps shade for the kids.
Oh, because it's a sunny day at the beach?
Yeah.
Cool.
Whoa. What's this for, Day?
It's a sailboat. Look. It's a toy boat. Oh, Katie. Katie's coming. Katie's coming.
Kitty, you cannot play. Katie, no. Hey, you'll wreck it. It's a nice sunny day, not a nice and rainy day. It can't be rainy at the beach. Kitty, don't mess it up. Kitty, 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 Katie.
Did Katie break it?
No, it fell out. There. I hope this works. It's like the umbrella's drinking. Katie!
Ah, she's got your boat.
Whoa. That's cool. Katie, You feel left out.
What?
Katie feels left out.
Who she does? You want to give her the pig? The mama pig? Katie.
Here. Katie. Here. How about...
What about the mama pig? You started to give it to her and then you changed your mind?
Katie has her water.
Well, give her some.
Here you go.
These are cool sets, huh? Can you believe it comes with so many pieces?
Katie!
Okay, I'll get Katie.